is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's been way too long since I made a video. I believe it is almost a year, or maybe a little over a year at this point, but I am back and hopefully we'll have regular, if not weekly, videos coming. We got a bunch of new cars and a lot of stuff to make content with, so I'm going to try to do that. I've been doing quite a bit of drag racing, tests and tunes, a little bit of actual competition. Most of that has been done with my 2014 Audi S8. I've had a few of the S6s. This is the first S8 I've had, and I do have some footage from about a year ago when I bought this car. This car came out of California, bought it off a Copart with light front end damage, rebuilt it, and have since done a ton of work to it. I'm going to do kind of a walk around, some of the general stuff about this car, and then hopefully in the future videos we will go into it in more in depth, as it is actually going to be getting tore down for the next step in the build here in the next probably 2 weeks. We got some pretty crazy stuff coming for it. We will be most likely shooting for the 9s. Currently this car has run a best of a 10.5 at the drag strip, and it's doing that running about a 10.5 at mid 130s. So we are getting to the horsepower range where we do need some more upgrades, mostly in the cooling department, which is what we will have coming next. It's going to be all custom. As far as I know, it has never been done on a 4OT, and I think it will really be the key to getting these consistently in the 9s, or consistently fast on the strip, or on the street really for that matter, without heat soaking. These have a terrible heat soak issues. But anyway, let's just do kind of a walk around of the car and then dive into some actual builds in the next videos. Again, really do appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, please comment if there's stuff you'd like to see. I will have quite a bit of 4OT stuff coming up. I have quite a few cars around the shop right now. They're getting various builds. Everything from standard bolt-ons all the way up to, we have an RS7 that's on nitrous. So hopefully I'll be making some videos of that as well. So stay tuned for that. But for now, we will catch you in the next one.